Alright, welcome back. So, we've had to sit here at Toontown for the red light for just a minute, but we got the flashing green, so looks like we're ready to roll.
Alright folks, the train will now be departing. As the train moves forward, we ask that you please remain seated, keep those arms, hands, feet, and legs inside the train. And parents, please supervise your little ones, making sure they're seated away from any of our train openings.
Alright.
Our next stop will be Tomorrowland Station.
Hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Come for the railroad tracks.
We're now steaming forward into the future, to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of the Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959.
Oh. Sorry about the high-pitched
And us are the
squeak
fun-filled
of
roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
There's Autopia, there's Osmo.
At this time, we ask that you please remain seated until the train comes so full and complete stop. Tomorrowland will be your stop for Autopia, Astro Orbiters, Astro Blasters, Space Continent, Stars, and Monorail, and much, much more. Once we have done, please remain seated until the train comes so full and complete stop.
So yeah, so here we're at Tomorrowland. I'm going to pause and I'll start filming again when we get going and head through the Grand Canyon Primeval world. See ya. All right, so we're about to get going. I chatted with that cast member, that conductor. She actually gave me. I guess I'll show it to you right now. Even though we're not on the Ernest S Marsh right now, she gave me this button. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's basically to commemorate 100 years since the Ernest S Marsh since it was built in 1925.
And parents, please supervise little ones, making sure they're seated away from any of our train openings. Our next stop will be Main Street Station. At this time, first, we just need all little ones to be fully seated on the bottom straps. Please supervise your little ones, making sure they're seated at this time. Our next stop will be Main Street Station. However, before we enter Main Street, we will be making a detour to the Grand Canyon. As we go to the Grand Canyon, folks, we ask that you please refrain from doing any flash photography or videoing. We also ask that all edit codes be turned off at this time.
All right, so here we go. heading through the Grand Canyon Primeval world, and
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
no, turn off the flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic forest of the Primeval world.
Oh, look what they got here.
It's been eating the same thing of weed or since like for billions of years.
Oh, here's the next favorite. Oh, here we go.
We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our...
Alright folks, time for Main Street Station. Until residents on Main Street stay seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Be advised, Main Street Station is the only station without a ramp or elevator. So if you have a stroller or wheelchair behind there, I recommend that you keep it folded, that way you can carry it down the stairs.
Alright, well, so that was Main Street Station. So that's the full Grand Circle tour. Thanks for joining us. Now, maybe on Thursday I will showcase a tender ride on the Holiday or Ripley. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Rainbow Runner's gonna be heading out. See ya.